Swings International School, and today I'm attending this workshop with IALF, and I really appreciate with this workshop because it's really helpful. They're teaching us not only the technique that we are using, but how to apply it in the teaching itself. And I think our generation really need this kind of booster to, to just like make themselves better in the future. Thank you.
My name is Glendon. I teach at Merlion International School in Surabaya. First, I'd like to say thank you for the opportunity to take part in this training. My teachers and I found it entertaining, and we appreciate that it was only 2 hours of our Saturday. For our context, we teach English as a first language in our schools, so not all of it was applicable, but we learned many ideas that we can take back to our school and hopefully help our students to have more fun and be more interested in our Cambridge lessons. So thank you again to IALF for holding this training session.
Hello, I'm Marco Wibisono from SMA IALF Surabaya. Thanks to be invited to this workshop because I have so many things to learn today. I have new ideas, new knowledge and insights about making teaching very interesting for students. By reading some materials, actually, we can make kind of group of teamwork, so it will come to students very active inside the classrooms. I think that's all. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Carolina. I'm from the GAC school, and I teach G7, G8, and also G11 and G12. I really need this seminar because I really use the Cambridge book, and I got a lot of problem with that. So this seminar really helps me a lot to bring up some ideas about how to work with those kind of activities and also those kind of materials. So yeah, thank you for this seminar, and I really hope that next time you could also bring up more ideas. Thank you.
Alright, so hello, my name is Leonardo. I'm an English teacher from Little Sun School, Swabia. So yeah, I'm quite happy to be part of this, and yeah, I'm looking forward to the next seminar. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Reba Ayu. I'm an English teacher in Swabia, Surabaya. I know that I can apply this knowledge more later in my school. So this workshop means a lot to me. Thank you.